From looking at so many different pitches, so many different videos, it's clear not everyone is really spending the time to put a video together, even though they're spending years of time to build their company and startup. Now, the things to make a video presentation stand out aren't particularly complex. You don't need video equipment, you don't need a lot of editing. You just need to convey your energy, your passion, your emotion, and your true self. As investors, we're trying to understand who you are. We're trying to understand what the composition of the team is. Here's some of the key takeaways from looking at hundreds of videos and some of the things you should be doing to make your stand out. Number one is energy. I know recording a video on your iPhone or your computer is boring as hell, but just imagine someone on the other end watching video after video and looking for that spark of energy, that spark of enthusiasm. If you don't convey that energy through the screen, if you don't get in there and tell people what makes you an exciting entrepreneur, what makes your business really exciting, people on the other end won't hear it, they won't see it. You don't have to be zany, you don't have to be crazy, be your authentic self. Okay, maybe have an extra cup of coffee, but tell me about you, tell me what makes it exciting. If you do have a team, show me your team, let them express who they are as well. I don't want to see your marketing video. I know lots of entrepreneurs put together marketing videos with music and special effects and cuts and things like that. I don't want to see that. I really want to meet the team. Tell me who you are, tell me what you're making, tell me why you're excited about this business. Being yourself and being direct is the best way to break through that screen and reach out to a real investor and make a real connection. Number two, so if you are applying to a specific program, it's great to say that particular program's name. You can say hi Techstars. If you're applying to Y Combinator, you can say hi YC. But if you are applying to multiple programs, just take the extra minute or two to personalize the specific video. It's really kind of awkward when you're sending a video for one accelerator to another because we're looking at it on the other end saying, wait, they couldn't spend the extra minute to create a video customized for us. Again, it probably won't disqualify you, but it definitely makes us question how detail-oriented you actually are as an entrepreneur. Number three, may seem obvious, but test your links. If you're hosting on YouTube or video or something else, double check that the videos that you're actually sending work when you're not logged into Google. I've seen a number of videos where it was a private YouTube link or a private Vimeo or a password protected Google Doc that someone sent me, and I just can't click through it. Again, if there's a way to get that video, I'm gonna request it, but I'm gonna move on to the next video as well. So double check your work. Again, it's about detail orientedness. I want people who are ambitious, excited, but they're also looking at the details, because when you're running a company, when you're reaching out to investors, the details do matter. So next tip, if you are building a product, you're showing a piece of software, you're showing a piece of hardware, show me what that application, show me what that product looks like in person. Again, if it's a robot, I want to see the robot doing something. If it's a mobile app, I want to see the screenshot or you interacting with the mobile app so I get a better sense of what that is and how it works. Don't give me the marketing video, because again, marketing videos can be cut together. If it's a prototype, say it's a prototype. I just want to know what you're actually working on. Don't try to inflate or exaggerate what your product is. Again, be your authentic self. Investors are really looking to connect with you, understand what your product is, and they want to make a human connection. If you can convey that in a minute or two, that's going to get you that second and third conversation, and that's really going to set you on your way for startup success. Thanks for listening. My name is Raiz. I talk about entrepreneurship, technology, and design. I'll catch you on the next one.